I bet you didn't know your smartphone is smarter than you think. Let's talk AI. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like giving brains to computers. It allows machines to perform tasks that normally require human smarts, like learning, problem solving, and even understanding language. There are a few key concepts you should know. Machine learning, which helps computers learn from data. Deep learning, which uses neural networks to mimic human brain activity. Natural language processing, or NLP, that lets machines understand and respond to human language. And computer vision, which helps computers see and interpret the world around them. We also categorize AI into three types. Narrow AI, like Siri or Alexa, which are good at specific tasks. General AI, which aims to be as smart as a human. And superintelligence, which could surpass human intelligence. AI is everywhere, from virtual assistants and image recognition to healthcare and robotics. It's revolutionizing our world, making it smarter and more efficient. So, ready to dive deeper into the fascinating world of AI? Stay tuned for more lessons. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content on AI. Watch our other videos to continue your AI journey.